Hi everyone, here we've got a POCO X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable, so how to turn on or off the camera location tags on this device. So before we will enter the camera, we have to remember about two very important features without which the camera location tags actually won't work. So firstly, we have to unroll the top bar, and the first thing about which we have to remember is the internet connection. Obviously it can be the Wi-Fi connection or the mobile data, it doesn't really matter. Just make sure that you're connected to the internet. And the second feature about which you have to remember is the exact location icon, the exact location option. So in my case it is right here, so in order to activate that, just tap on it, and since it is highlighted, since you can see this blue color around it, it means that it has been activated. So after that, after this operation, we can actually enter the camera. So let's tap on it, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings. So let's tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner, and let's tap on the actual settings. Here we have to scroll down in order to find the safe location info. It should be on the second position in the general settings section. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see right now, you have to give the permission to the camera to access the device's location. So let me tap on while using the app, and as you can see right now it is activated, so we can go back to the camera and we will check if it actually works. So let's take a photo just by tapping on the shutter button. Let's go to the preview, and we have to find the info. I suppose it should be in the details, so let's tap in this on this three dots icon and tap on the details. And as you can see right here, we've got the exact location of where this photo has been taken. So greetings from Krakow. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.